Welcome to the Personal Finance Mastery course. Most people work their entire lives but still struggle with money. Not because they don't work hard, but because they were never taught how money truly works. This course is designed to change that for you. In this journey, you're going to learn how to take control of your money instead of letting money control your life. You'll understand the real meaning of personal finance and why some people stay financially stuck while others build wealth with the same amount of money. We're going to turn complicated financial ideas into simple, practical steps that anyone can use. You'll learn how to manage your budget, how to track your spending, and how to stop wasting money without sacrificing your lifestyle. You'll understand the difference between good debt and bad debt, how credit cards really work, and how people fall into debt traps without even realizing it. You'll learn how to get out of debt using proven financial strategies and how to build a strong financial foundation. We will talk about saving, building emergency funds, and protecting yourself from unexpected expenses. You will also learn how inflation affects your daily life and how smart planning can protect your future. Then we move into investing. You'll understand why investing is not optional anymore. You'll learn how compounding works, why it creates long-term wealth, and how beginners can start investing even with small amounts. We'll explore the basics of the stock market, index funds, mutual funds, real estate, and even crypto in a safe and simple way. This course also helps you grow your income. You'll learn how to increase your earning power, how to build side hustles, how to create passive income, and how to build multiple streams of income so you never depend on just one source. We'll simplify taxes so they finally make sense. You'll learn how to legally reduce your tax burden and avoid common mistakes people make every year. You'll also learn about insurance the right way, what kind of protection you need, how to choose smart plans, and how to avoid wasting money on the wrong policies. And finally, we'll talk about long-term planning and retirement. You'll learn how much money you need for the future and how to prepare for it step by step. We will build your complete financial roadmap that gives you confidence and peace of mind. Throughout this course, you will also learn powerful financial habits. You'll understand lifestyle traps, emotional spending patterns, and the mindset differences that separate wealthy people from everyone else. This is not just a finance course. This is a life-changing transformation. If you follow what you learn here, you will never be confused about money again. You'll build confidence, clarity, and a strong financial future for yourself and your family. Your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Personal Finance Course 20 episode.